a sum based on 2 squares, right? And the question is this, very nice sum, let us do it. Sum of the areas of 2 squares is 468 meter square. If the difference of their perimeters is 24 meter, find the sides of the 2 squares, right? Now, what do we have to find here? Find the sides of the 2 squares. Now, since there is difference in perimeters happens when one square is a small square and other side is a big square. Let us consider one as a smaller square, another as a bigger square. And one is a smaller square, we'll consider, other is a bigger square, right? Now, we don't know their sides. Neither we know the side of the smaller square, nor we know the side of the bigger square. And there is no comparative statement anywhere in the problem. So, let the side of the smaller square be x meters, right? So, side of the smaller square is how much? X meters. Now, what will be the side of the bigger square? It will be x plus something, but what it is, we don't know, right? So, for the time being, let us consider the bigger square side as side only. So, we will call the bigger square side as it is, right? Now, it is given that, what is given? Difference of their perimeters is 24 meters. That means the perimeter of the bigger square minus the perimeter of the smaller square, the difference is given as 24 meters. Yes or no? Now, perimeter of the bigger square minus the perimeter of the smaller square, the difference is given as 24. What is the formula of perimeter? Perimeter is nothing but 4 into side. We all know this, right? Now, so perimeter of the bigger square will be what? 4 into side of the bigger square, we called it as side only. So, 4 into side. And perimeter of the smaller square, the side of the smaller square is x, we have assumed. So, perimeter of the smaller square becomes what? 4x. So, perimeter of the bigger square minus the perimeter of the smaller square is equals to 24. So, 4 into side minus 4 into x is equals to 24. Now, can you see this equation? 4, 4, 24, all are divisible by 4. So, let us divide throughout by 4. So, what we get? Dividing throughout by 4, what we get is side minus x is equals to 24 upon 4, that will be 6. Side minus x is equal to 6. From this we can calculate the side. Side will be what? X plus 6. Yes or no? So, what is the side of the bigger square? It will be x plus 6, right? So, therefore, the side of the bigger square is x plus 6 meters, right? Now, once we have got the side, then it is easy to do this sum. How will you do this sum? Sum of the areas of the 2 squares is 468 meters square. Now, areas. What is area of a square? Area of a square is side square. Now, area as per the given condition, sum of the areas, sum means what? Addition, right? So, sum of the areas, sum means plus, sum of what? The areas. So, area of the smaller square plus the area of the bigger square is equals to 468 is given to us. So, side of the smaller square is x, so area of the smaller square will be x square. Similarly, side of the bigger square we got it is x plus 6. So, area of the bigger square will be x plus 6 the whole square, and sum of the two areas is equal to 468. So, is equal to 468, that is the equation. Now, let us open the brackets and solve it. We will get a proper quadratic equation. So, we get x square plus x plus 6 the whole square, a plus b the whole square formula, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So, it will be x square plus 2 into x into 6, it will be 12x, plus 6 square will be 36 is equal to 468. The next step will take 468 to the left side. So, what we get is x square plus x square becomes 2x square plus 12x plus 36 minus 468 is equal to 0, right. So, now what we get is 2x square plus 12x, 36 minus 468 is minus 432 is equals to 0. Now, 2, 12, 432 all are divisible by 2. Let us make the equation small by dividing throughout by 2. What we get is x square plus 6x minus 216 is equal to 0. Now, this is a quadratic equation. First attempt is solving by factorization. 3 terms are there. So, let us try to split the middle term. Now, how do we do that? 216, 1s are 216. Let us do the prime factorization of 216. Since 216 is an even number, let us start dividing it by 2. 2 108s are 216, 2 54s are 2, 27s are now 3, 9s are 3, 3s are and 3 1s are, right. Last sign is minus. Minus means subtracting the factors, we should get that middle number which is 6. The biggest number, last sign is minus, means by subtracting the 2 factors of 216, we should get the middle number which is 6, right. Now, The biggest number we have in the factors is 3, and we know how to group with this 3. Now let us start grouping. Now here in this case 3, and we'll have to take 2 2's, right? 3 into 2 2's are 4, 4 3's are is 12, and the remaining numbers if you multiply you will get 18. 18 12's are is 216. 18 and 12, when you subtract, you will get that 6 as required. So what are the factors? 18 and 12 are the factors. Signs have to be given. Since the last sign is minus, the middle sign is given to the bigger factor and opposite to the smaller factor. Middle sign is plus, going to the bigger factor 18, and opposite sign to the smaller factor, that is minus 12. So let us split the middle term and write it. So what we get is x square plus 18x minus 12x minus 216 is equal to 0. Out of the first two, let us take something common, and out of the next two also let us take common. So what we get is x common, x plus 18 minus 12 common, x plus 18 is equal to 0, right? So x plus 18 goes out common. What stays inside the bracket? X minus 12 is equal to 0, right? So x plus 18 is equal to 0, or x minus 12 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 18, or x is equals to 12. Now what is x? The side of the square. Can side be negative? Side of the square can never be negative. So what we can say, x cannot be equal to minus 18, hence x is how much? 12, right? Then smaller square side we have taken it as x, that answer we got. So bigger square side, how much we got it? X plus 6. X plus 6 means how much it will be? 12 plus 6. How much is that? 18. Then we conclude the sides of the two squares are 12 meters and 18 meters respectively. That completes this question. Thank you.